Hi, this is Tommy from Systems for Dentists, and in this video I'll cover an overview of SFD. Specifically, we'll look at how you can log into the system, some basic system navigation, we'll look at how you can add and also manage tasks, how you can send messages to other users, and how to access help and support. On opening the program, you are presented with a login screen. So every user of SFD requires a unique username and password. So you can enter this and then simply click OK to log on to the system. If I select user, you can see who is currently logged on. SFD enables you to log more than one person onto the same computer. So you can select log on user 2 to add another user. This is ideal if, for example, a nurse and a dentist are working together. They can both be logged on and both be using the system at the same time. Next, we have the patient option. From here you can register new patients, search and open patient records, and also access any recently opened patients. Following this, we have appointments. This will open the appointments screen. And next we have tasks. Tasks are a very useful feature of SFD. It enables you to create practice-specific tasks and assign them to other users for particular jobs that need to be done. You can view all tasks within the organization. So I'm going to have a look at Martin's task list. Next, I'll click New to create a new task. All tasks require a subject informing the users of the job that needs to be done. And then you've got various options. You can enter a start or due date, change the category or status, change the priority. For example, I'll make this one high priority. You can enter any additional notes that are required. And then you can add users. If you select add, you can add any user in the organization as well as yourself if you want to create a task assigned to yourself. You can also attach any documents or files, and then this can also be linked to a particular patient. Regular recurring tasks can be set by selecting recurrence, and you can indicate if things need to be done every day, every week or every month, and indicate how long you want to repeat for. So finally, if I click save, I can now see that Martin has a task sitting on his task list. To update the task, select it, select edit, and then you can change any of the details on here. So for example, I'm going to say that this is now complete. If I click save, you'll see that this now disappears from the task list. If I click show completed, you can see all tasks that have been previously completed. To close down any screen in SFD, just select the X at the top right of the screen. Following tasks is email. This will allow you to see all emails sent from the practice. This button will allow you to send information to a wireless signature pad. And then following that, we have a drop down here that enables you to access additional options. So next, we'll look at some of the options at the top right of the screen. The first button allows you to access and view online patient portal bookings. The next button is to view our videos. And the third button allows you to access the support homepage, to view our FAQ help documents, and also to access YouTube to see our support videos. At the top right here, we can select to create a message. So these are messages that you can send to users within the system. They can be sent to all users in the practice or to individual users, ideal for sending quick messages to others in the practice. If I select new, and as I said, you can send to all logged on users, or if I select everyone, I can select specific users to send a message to. Select the user, and then I can type the message in this box here. Once I've written my message, I can then click send, and that will be sent to that user. I can see at the bottom right of the screen any new messages that are sent are displayed with a pop-up message. and then it will flash at the bottom if there are any messages to view. If I select this, I can then view these messages and I can delete or reply to these as required. I'll just delete this one and then close that window.